So how far are parents responsible for their children's doing, or how far they will be punished by God or rewarded by God and thereafter?
This is a very complicated question, in fact. Parents are responsible for the upbringing of their family, their children, etc. And I remind you of one hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, kullukum ra'in wa mas'ulun an ra'iyatihi. Everybody is like a shepherd. He is tending the sheep which he does not own. So, as he is answerable before the person who owns the sheep, so all of you are answerable before me. Husband is answerable for what model he becomes for his wife, for his children, etc. And the wife becomes answerable for what model she becomes for her children, and also in a way for the husband as well. Everyone will be answerable before God regarding his conduct or her conduct. So this I think solves your question, or was it slightly different than what I have understood? Huh?
Yeah, different. I would like to know about children. Are they responsible after some certain ages, 16 or 18? Or are
No, after a person has grown of age, has come to his age, he himself is responsible, of course. But still, such people live in the same family many a time, grown-up children. Even I know people who have reached 30 years of age are still students. They live with their family, and they respond to the atmosphere created by their parents. So they are responsible, of course.